A spruce tree up next to the house, and it's actually running into the soffit and the fascia, so I'm gonna take the top off of this, and there's actually two kind of leaders. There's the bigger one on the left, and then there's a small one on the right. I'm gonna take this one on the left off. Yeah, let's see, we'll back around here. I'm gonna cut this off right here. So then that'll take off this main one. The smaller one goes up and hits into the soffit, but I'm gonna trim that down. Oh, actually, oh yeah, it is. I'm gonna have to trim that down a ways. Oh, let's cut that off. I've started cutting this. I'm just using a handsaw, and I'm wearing leather gloves. These pine trees, this one's not too bad. Some can be really prickly. So I'll finish cutting that off and show you the results. And this is after. I'm gonna have to trim up those, I don't know how far down. I may basically determine another leader. What I'll do is cut this. I got a bypass clipper. I like these better than anvils. I'm gonna cut this 1/4 inch past this branch, actually this one right here, and at about a 45-degree angle. Let's take that off, and then one of those will take off as a leader. It's a bit lopsided. I'm gonna trim up this side. That'll probably fill back in. And this is the end of the dormant season. It's actually May. I'm getting a little bit late on this. This spring's been crazy. What I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna go back right to here. Cut that right there. I'm going to do kind of the same thing right here, and I'm going to about a 1/4 inch past this intersection and at a 45-degree angle. And I'm going to trim up more of these. These are kind of getting out into the sidewalk. And just kind of shape up the tree a bit. And I've got these other branches trimmed up. That hole that's kind of right there, that should fill in with other branches as they grow out and be more balanced and better looking over time. Well, be sure and check out my other videos.